Welcome to Miami Visuals. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to monetize your community and courses using the Miami Visuals platform. Method 1. Provide full C open access to customers. Method 2. You can make it a full paid membership access. And as a bonus, we're also able to provide multiple level payments per membership access. And you can also have multiple level payments per paywall access for each separate course level. There's amazing stuff to cover, so let's start. Method 1. Give full free open access. Assuming you already have a website and your community created. To do this, you need a CTA that's located on your homepage going straight to the community area landing page. Just like this. So why do we need a separate landing page? It's a dedicated area where visitors can view the welcome area and then proceed to the courses. Now let's create a landing page. Click on the Pages icon on the left menu. Click on Add New. Click Page. Click on Empty Page. We would need an empty page because we only want the community widget to cover the whole screen. Add the page name. Type Community Area. On the page access, we'll keep the public option to keep the community free access. And click Add. Now let's add the community inside the community area. Click the plus icon on menu on the left side of the screen. Drag and drop the circle widget. And on the settings that popped up, select your circle. Once you select your circle, it will appear on the page. Remember, the word circle or circles is just another term for communities. Then hide the main header and footer of your website, and then adjust the margins and spaces around. Click Save, and you're ready to share your paid community page. Let's go back to the home page to connect the new page we just created. From your website homepage, go to the menu on the left, then drag and drop a button to the page. Modify it to however you want. Click on the button, then click Edit. Button text would be Access Community. Then click on Open on Click. Choose the page that you just created. Click Select, click Outside, then click Save. Now everyone can access your community for free when they come in your website and click on this button. Method 2. Charge for full paid membership access. So in here, you'll be setting up your membership system in 3 simple steps. First, you'll create a membership group. Second, you'll create a page for your content and assign the membership group access. Finally, you'll create a membership product that people need to gain membership access into the membership group that you created. Assuming you already have a website, your community created, and a community area page created. To do this, you would need a store membership product in order to charge customers and set your community area with membership access, just like this. To create a member group for the membership access, on the top menu, click on Contacts. Then on the left menu, click on the button that says Add Group. This is how you add member groups for memberships. Enter your group name, then click Submit. And now, your new group for the community will appear on the left side. Next, let's add a membership product in the store. On the menu at the top, click Store. Then on the left menu, click Products. Click Add Product. Let's choose Membership. Enter the community name. Some description. Add an image. Add the price. On the type product, you should have membership. And in here, we will assign the group that we just created from the contacts. So once they purchase, they will become a member of that group who can access the content. Click Confirm. Scroll down. Click on Custom Thank You page. Click on the empty link. In here, you will redirect the visitor to the community area once they purchase. Then click Select. Click Save. Once you have the group and the store product created, let's go back to the website. We have already created a community area landing page. All we have to do is update the page access. Open the pages on the menu on the left. On the page where we added the community area, you will find a gear icon on its right. Click on the gear icon. Click Show Settings. And now under Page Access, you can set the membership access that the visitors will be purchasing. So if you want to give the community area for free, leave it on public. But since we're charging customers for it, you would choose Members Only option. Then, we would want to select who we want to give access to. So to do that, click Choose a Member Group. Then, choose your group. Click Confirm and click Save. Now you have set a page with a membership access. Now this page is only for members who already purchased the membership. Next, on the home page, let's assign the Enroll Now button to the store product that we just created for the visitors to purchase the membership. Hover over the button. Click on the gear icon. Click on the link. Choose your store product. Click Select, click Outside, then Save Changes. Remember, that community area landing page is already connected to the home page button as we did in Method 1. Now let's preview the landing page that we did. Click on the eye icon located on the menu on the left side. So from the home page, we would click the Access Community. Now, because it's a membership-only page, we are asked to log in, because we haven't purchased the membership yet. To allow website visitors to purchase or subscribe to your community, you'll need a button to connect the membership product in the store. In here, we added this button at the top. Click on this button to enroll to the community. This store product that just created will automatically grant access to the community once a purchase is complete. Once you click Buy Now, the checkout would right away ask for your login members information, and they can already set the password here. Once we purchase the membership and we log in, we can now access the course's content. Once done with the checkout, come back to the home page and let's try to access the courses with the landing page that we created. Click Access Community. We are asked to log in. Now we are able to access the community through a paid membership. Oh, you want to create a new course and you want to charge for it? Here's more options. As a bonus, we're going to show you 2 additional ways of giving access to customers. Bonus 1. Charge multiple level payments per membership access for each separate course level, assuming you already have your community created with the previous options. Now we will teach you how to get paid for each course content that you have inside the community through memberships and paywalls. From your course content, open group settings if you have a group of pages, or page settings for individual pages inside your community. Now choose your group, then click on the gear icon. Let's open group settings. Under Access Level, click on the drop-down menu. To try members of a group or payment required options, you would need to upgrade to unlock these features. So from the group settings, in here click Upgrade. Now on this pop-up, you are able to select the best option for your community. Your current plan is free, but to unlock the access level, you would have to upgrade to Tier 1. This would also give you paywalls, drip content, and many other features. For this tutorial, I would choose to upgrade to Tier 1. Click here to upgrade. Once you have upgraded, under Access Levels, you will now see the other options unlocked, which we will explain and demonstrate further in the video. Once you have your community created with all the courses and content inside, let's exit the community, go back to the website, and you would need a courses menu page like this. We recommend you to create a courses menu, whether it's on your homepage or an additional page. This will allow your customers to find what they decide. So for example, if you are charging separately for the additional courses, you can do it this way, giving access to the whole community, and then giving different access to additional courses inside your community for visitors to purchase. In here, visitors or members of your community can buy different paid courses according to your content. You can create this page however you like. Just drag and drop widgets from the builder, like the text and button, to connect them to a store membership product. Once you have created your course menu page, we have to set up a group in the contacts and store product for the membership access to the paid course. Just like this, a visitor will be able to access the course menu page, then they would choose a product or course, then a store membership product checkout, and then being able to access the course in the community. Now let's set up a group in the contact where members would be assigned to access a paid course, and on the menu at the top, click Contacts. In here, click on Add Group, type in your group name. I'll type in VIP Members Course 1. Click Submit. Now you have created a group where you will assign members once they purchase a paid content. Next, let's add a membership product in the store. Then, on the left menu, click Products. Click Add Product. Let's choose Membership. Enter the paid course name. Some description. Add an image. Add the price. On the type product, you should have membership, and in here, we will assign the group that we just created from the contacts. So once they purchase, they will become a member of that group who can access the content. Click Confirm. Scroll down, click on Custom Thank You page. Click on the empty link. In here, you will redirect the visitor to the paid course content once they purchase. Then click Select. Click Save. Once you have the group and the store product created, let's go back to the website. From the courses menu page, assign the store products in here, so visitors would be redirected the store product that we just created for them to be able to purchase the paid course. Click on the button, click on the link icon, choose the membership product in the store. Then click Select. Next, go to the paid course. Let's assign that group members that we created to this course. From your course content, let's open Group Settings. Under Access Level, choose Members of a Group, and click Select. Then click on the group that we just created to assign this course. Click Confirm. Now let's access the live website to check. You can see here now that the content is unavailable, unless the visitor purchases a membership from the courses menu and be able to access the content right away. Bonus 2. Charge multiple level payments per paywall access instead of the membership feature. If you don't want to create membership access levels or a membership courses menu, which we recommend for a better experience, and instead want your customer to go straight into the course and make a payment, you can do that using a paywall. Now let's set up a payment required option on the paid course. Remember, these access level add-ons that you upgraded to can be used on both group setting and page settings. Choose your course. Click on Group Settings. Click on Access Level. Choose Payment Required. Click on Edit Paywall Settings. With this, you don't have to create a group in the contacts and a store product. You just have to type in the product name, which will be the course. Add a price. You can choose recurring fee if you want it to be a monthly subscription. You can add tags to know if they purchased. And email marketing, which we'll discuss on the next videos. Click outside twice. Now let's access the live website to check. You can see here that the content can be purchased right away. This option is a direct payment on each content without needing a courses menu page or a store product. When you click Get Access Now and you buy the course, it will automatically give you access to the paid course. And those are the ways for people to access your courses, be able to share free or paid courses with your website. It's super easy to create an amazing community using the tools in the Miami Visuals platform. So, let us know in the comments below, what do you think about the new features that we now have on the platform? This is Miami Visuals. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.